Today we're talking about a recent report that LeBron James, NBA superstar, is going to miss the first 3 weeks of the NBA season due to sciatica. So sciatica is a very broad term that's usually meant to describe compression or irritation of the sciatic nerve, which is a nerve that starts in the lower lumbar spine, typically contributed by the L4, L5, S1, S2, and S3 nerve roots, and travels down behind the buttocks, down through the hamstrings, down to the calf muscles, all the way down to the nerves in the foot. So sciatica pain usually starts in the back and radiates all the way down to the foot, typically behind the hamstrings and into the calf muscles. Generally speaking, on physical examination, you see it by a positive straight leg raise, where the leg is extended and passively flexed, and in this case, it results in stretch of the nerve and reproduces the pain. Sciatica typically comes when we see it clinically from a lumbar disc herniation. Sometimes this can impinge the nerve roots directly. It can also come from other sources of irritation of the nerves, such as traumas or tumors themselves. It's important to note, however, that sciatic pain can be mimicked by other conditions. Classically, as a neurosurgical standpoint, we see it in cases like piriformis syndrome, which can often be treated non-surgically with physical therapy and stretching, as well as with conditions such as SI joint dysfunction, where there's irritation of the sacroiliac joint that can mimic this type of pain because of the proximity of the joint to the nerves themselves. The good news is, in majority of cases, sciatic pain is resolved non-surgically. Typically, we start with treatments such as physical therapy, core strengthening, stretching, which can oftentimes help. In some cases where there is clear nerve compression, epidural steroid injections might be helpful in terms of reducing the compression of the nerve itself. Finally, when these don't work, surgical treatment in the form of decompression of the affected disc or the compressed nerve can oftentimes be helpful. We wish LeBron a quick and speedy recovery and look forward to seeing him play later on this season.